I've been in your waters.
What is poppin', people, and welcome back to another tattoo tips video. So guys, I was scrolling through Instagram, I was scrolling through Facebook, and I was looking at all these really awesome tattoos, these cool black and grey tattoos, and a lot of them that I was scrolling past were phenomenal. Like, they were just out of this world, just picking your jaw off the floor. Phenomenal. However, every so often, I saw a black and grey tattoo that was just tons of negative space, which leads me on to today's video, which is going to be about saturation. Now, a lot of people, when it comes to black and greys, they like to leave a lot of skin breaks. Now, I do skin breaks, don't get me wrong. A lot of black and grey artists do skin breaks, and skin breaks are needed. However, a lot of people tend to do their black and grey and they leave too much of a skin break. And it's generally in the artists that have just started doing black and grey. And I don't know why, but we all seem to do it, and I don't know why. I think it must be some rite of passage that we all have to go through for some reason. I don't know, but a lot of people do it. And it kind of makes everybody's work look the same. If you put everybody's work side by side, it looks so similar that you won't really be able to differentiate whatever whose is whose. I'm going to tell you a piece of information that I got told by a really good artist friend of mine when I first started doing black and grey. Guys, you need to treat your black and grey like you would do colour. If you look at a colour tattoo, everything in a colour tattoo is fully saturated. There's not really that many skin breaks in a colour tattoo. Realism we're talking about here, by the way, guys. Let me just point that out. Now, when it comes to black and grey, that's also what you need to be doing. You need to be fully saturating your piece. You know, if you have a rose, you just wouldn't put red on the outside and then whip in and then done. Alright, because you've got red on this side and then you've got nothing on this side. That's exactly what I mean. You would do that whole petal in red or in the different tones of colour that you are using. It's exactly the same when it comes to black and grey. You may have black over here and then you have a gradual gradient coming over this way, and then it stops here on this side and it's really light. Now, a lot of people might leave that as a skin break, but we're not going to do that. What you're going to do, guys, is going to take your lightest tone that you can see and you are just going to fully saturate over. And I promise you guys, this will take your black and grey to the next level. 100, it will take your black and grey to the next level. So guys, how do you saturate? Well, it's quite simple. You just use a big mag and you run over the top with a lighter tone. Now, while you are fully saturating with these bigger mags and these lighter tones, you are also improving the smoothness and your blends of your black and grey. So there's another nice little tip for you. What you need to realize is that pigment in skin is still a liquid. Okay, so you can run over the top with a light tone and it will still react and blend nicely for you. And another nice little tip: if you ever go too dark and you think, oh fuck, then what you need to do is you need to get some water and you need to run that over the tattoo, because like I said, it is pigment. It is a liquid pigment inside that skin. So if you put water over the tattoo, guess what's going to happen, guys? It's going to dilute that area that you believe you have gone too dark on, in turn making it a lot lighter. This boy is just full of tips, which is why you need to subscribe to this channel, because don't see anyone else giving you little gems like that. There it is for today. Saturation. Make sure you're saturating your black and grey. Take your black and grey to the next level. And before I leave, make sure you check out my tattoo tips playlist, which is here or here. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video because we are the best channel on YouTube. I said that very sincerely because I mean it. We are. And don't forget to turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I upload a new video. But guys, I shall see you all in the next one. Adios.